Hi, I've had a couple views on my two videos, Jamie's burps and burps by me, and my video got over 300 views, and that's the most I've gotten on one of my videos. And I'm not sure how much Jamie got, but we've had a comment that said that they wanted us to do one together, so that's what we're gonna do. Going on. Okay. Oh!
Congratulations.
Although that was a weird one.
A burp attack.
Oh, good dude. Nasty. Yum. Okay, that's gonna be the end of our video because, Jamie isn't up to burping right now. Oh! Well, she said she's feeling sick and she's gonna throw up if she burps anymore. But you just burped.
My tummy ain't that strong today.
Okay, so we're gonna cut the video short.
Wait.
Okay, and yeah, that's basically it for our collab video of burps. Just stop it! You said you couldn't burp anymore.
Okay, I got one going now.
Okay, it's already recording.
No, I'm just kidding. I don't. Oh, fucking yeah. Ew, I taste meatloaf. I just barf. Let's get some shit.
Oh, it's cool. What if she burped like that? Mommy, hi.
Why is your ah? I just cracked my iPod. Made you look.
Where?
No, I said made you look.
I thought I said Maggie look. Zah.
I just barfed a little.
Gallons of milk and I was staring at her jugs. 5 minutes later, she agreed to get with me, so we went and rocked the minivan like giggity giggity giggity. I was riding Mom, that's Mario Kart. I gave a lift back to her pad because I'm cowboy style. She invited me in the house and we started banging out again. How many times I checked that house? Over 9,000. Yeah, she told me in my house. You know we say we do in my house. Do in my house. Do we do in my house. Do in my house. Do we do in my house. Do we do in my house. Do we do in my house. You know we say we do in my house. Big fly, and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny that she's fly. We make sexy time, yes. And every night I tap that. She saw me butt naked, now she thinks I'm half black. But your mom's the best. The super MILF. Cause she loves to toss the salad even though she ain't a chef. And I blame it on the